Now that we have created a script to just launch a browser and open the Playwright's web page, we can go ahead and click on the Docs button. To do that, let's just go ahead and launch the Chrome browser and see the Playwright website. And here, what we want to do is click on this button. How do we do that? Well, the page object, that is this right here, gives us a lot of methods to access the HTML elements like the button in this case. To do that, let's just go ahead and open the developer tools, which you can access from the settings, more tools, developer settings, or you can just hit Ctrl+Shift+I on your keyboard to open the same. You can see that this is the source code of this website, and I can just go ahead and hit Ctrl+ to increase its font size. And now we can just inspect this docs button by clicking this button right here. And now you can see if I hover over any element, we get to see its equivalent HTML code. And here I'll just hover over this docs, click on that, and now you can see this is the specific code for our docs button. So let's see what it is. It is a element, that means a link element, and that has a class of this, the href, that is it goes to python/docs/intro, and then it has a text of docs. Now using this information, we can go ahead and select the same. So let's see how can we do that. So we have two things available, that is we need to select or locate a link element with docs text. So we'll go ahead and highlight these things. To do that, we can just use page object dot get by role. So this method allows you to select elements by its role, and you can see there are a lot of roles like alert dialog, banner, checkbox, code, article, and in here we'll also have the link. So let's see, L here, yeah, it's link. So we can just select a link element, but you will see that the website has many links like docs, API, Python, it's a Dropbox, then community, get started, and so on. So to select this specific link item, we can just use the name, that is the docs. So we also have a name keyword argument that will be the docs like this. Now we'll select the docs button. So docs button like this. And what we want to do is just click it. And conveniently enough, we can just call the click method on this selected element. Now let's go ahead and see what happens. So I'll go ahead and run the script. So Python app.py. Make sure you have enabled the slow-mo to be able to see what happens. So we launch the browser, we click on the button, visit the docs, and we exit. Of course, it happened too fast, but that's just what happened. So this is called a locator, that is get by role. There are a lot of locators that Playwright offers, which we'll discuss in depth in the coming section. But for now, this is how we can select a link element. In the next lesson, let's just go ahead and extract the URL and overview what we have done.